This owner invited two twin sisters to see how his cat would react. First, he introduced the older twin to the cat. The naughty cat immediately started following her. Then the owner told her to go into the room. The cat followed her and tried to go inside too, but suddenly, someone knocked on the front door. When the younger twin came inside, the cat became completely confused. It couldn't understand how the girl who had gone into the bedroom had suddenly come through this door. Then both sisters stood in front of the cat together. This completely confused the poor cat, so it went and hid behind the curtain.